Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, artificial intelligence. It's not just sci-fi anymore, it's here, and it's changing our world faster than we can say algorithm. But with great power comes great responsibility. So let's talk about the big questions, the ethics of AI, the spread of misinformation, job disruption, and most importantly, how we can navigate this new era responsibly. First up, ethics. Think about it. Who programs the AI? Humans, and humans have biases. If we're not careful, we can build our own prejudices right into the code. This could lead to AI making unfair decisions in things like loan applications or even criminal justice. The challenge is to create AI that's fair, transparent, and accountable. We need to be able to ask the AI, "Why did you make that decision?" and get a clear answer. That's a huge puzzle developers are working on right now. Next, let's tackle misinformation. We've all seen those incredibly realistic images or videos deepfakes. AI can create content that is almost impossible to distinguish from reality. While it can be used for fun, it also has a dark side, creating fake news or fraudulent content that can spread like wildfire on social media. This makes media literacy more important than ever. We need to be critical thinkers, to question what we see online, and to check our sources before we share. It's our collective responsibility to fight the tide of misinformation. Now for the question that keeps many people up at night. Will an AI take my job? It's true, AI will automate many tasks, and some jobs will change or even disappear. History has shown us this pattern with every major technological leap, from the printing press to the internet. But it's not all doom and gloom. For every job that's automated, new ones are created. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about collaborating with it. So how do we prepare for this future of work? First, focus on uniquely human skills. I'm talking about critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. An AI can process data, but it can't brainstorm over coffee, empathize with a client, or lead a team with passion. These are our superpowers. Second, become a lifelong learner. The world is changing fast, so we need to adapt. Take an online course, learn a new software, or pick up a skill that complements AI. For example, if you're a writer, learn how to use AI tools to help with research and editing. If you're a designer, use AI to generate initial concepts. It's about using AI as a powerful assistant, not a replacement. And finally, consider careers that work alongside AI. Fields like data analysis, AI ethics, machine learning engineering, and AI systems management are booming. These roles require people who can build, manage, and guide AI technology. Ultimately, AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for incredible good or for harm. The future isn't predetermined. It's up to us as creators, consumers, and citizens to steer this technology in a direction that benefits all of humanity. We need to have these conversations, ask the tough questions, and demand responsible development. Thanks so much for watching. What are your biggest questions or concerns about AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.